Abandoned objects carry a quiet weight of history, function, and neglect, and when they are elevated through thoughtful upcycling, they become powerful statement decor pieces that challenge how we define value, beauty, and modern luxury. Transforming the truly overlooked, forgotten industrial components buried in warehouses, discarded mechanical parts rusting in backyards, or defunct electronics deemed obsolete by rapid technological change goes far beyond simple reuse. It becomes an act of reinterpretation, where purpose is rewritten and aesthetics are reborn. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Transforming abandoned objects into statement decor pieces embodies a creative revolution that transcends traditional design paradigms. The trend of upcycling, particularly focusing on overlooked items such as forgotten industrial components, discarded mechanical parts, and defunct electronics, highlights a growing cultural appreciation for sustainability and artistic innovation. This practice not only breathes new life into what many might consider waste, but it also challenges societal norms surrounding luxury and consumption. In an era dominated by mass production and disposable culture, the transformation of the truly overlooked into sellable decor pieces provides a compelling narrative about value, creativity, and environmental consciousness. At the heart of this movement is the recognition that beauty and functionality can emerge from the most unexpected sources. Abandoned objects, often perceived as relics of a bygone era or remnants of failed innovations, can be reimagined into striking decor that resonates with contemporary aesthetics. An old industrial gear, for instance, can find new purpose as a centerpiece, showcasing its intricate design and history. Through minimalist or avant-garde approaches, these pieces can elevate a space, each telling a unique story that sparks conversation and intrigue. This narrative aspect of upcycling adds depth. Consumers are not merely purchasing a decor item, but are also investing in a piece rich with history and context, which resonates deeply in a world increasingly populating with generic, mass-produced goods. The process of reimagining unconventional finds requires a unique vision and a set of skills that combines artistry with craftsmanship. Designers and artisans engaging in this practice often need to embrace a process of experimentation and adaptation, learning to work with materials that may have unforeseen challenges. Overcoming the inherent limitations of these items can lead to innovative designs that mesh functionality with high artistry. A discarded circuit board might be transformed into a stunning light fixture, merging technology with decorative elegance. This interplay between utility and art forms a crucial aspect of modern luxury, where consumers seek exclusive items that reflect not only personal taste, but also ethical values. The financial implications of this transformation are significant. Products that emerge from upcycling processes can command high prices in the market, as they appeal to a niche demographic increasingly interested in sustainable living and unique home furnishings. The luxury market has seen a shift toward value-driven consumption, where consumers are willing to pay a premium for items that align with their values. Pieces created from upcycled materials often carry a story, a narrative of rebirth and transformation that adds intrinsic value. The juxtaposition of perceived waste and refined design creates an alluring contrast, attracting collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate the artistry and thoughtfulness behind each piece. Furthermore, this movement fosters a sense of community, encouraging collaboration among artists, designers, and consumers. Workshops and maker spaces often emerge in local communities where enthusiasts gather to share skills, ideas, and resources. In these settings, participants can explore the concepts of upcycling, experimenting with discarded items to create something new and unexpected. These community hubs not only facilitate the sharing of practical skills, but also cultivate an ethos of sustainability and appreciation for craftsmanship. As people take to these creative endeavors, the dialogue about consumerism and environmental responsibility becomes more pronounced, leading to a broader cultural shift towards mindfulness in our consumption patterns. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. The aesthetic appeal of upcycled decor pieces cannot be overstated. Design principles can be employed to create visually striking items that integrate seamlessly into various interior styles, from industrial chic to minimalist modernism. The rough, raw qualities of reclaimed materials, combined with the polished finesse of modern design, can create a juxtaposition that is both edgy and elegant. This duality attracts consumers who appreciate the story behind a piece as much as its visual appeal. In a world saturated with uniformity, these unique creations stand out, providing an opportunity for individuals to express their identity and values through the curated spaces they inhabit. Moreover, the practice of upcycling abandoned objects speaks to the potential of innovation. By seeing value in what others dismiss, artisans and designers exemplify a forward-thinking mentality. This transformation can inspire others to rethink their consumption habits and consider the long life cycle of materials. It highlights a shift from a throwaway culture to one that emphasizes reuse and sustainability, urging consumers to consider how their purchases impact the environment. This consciousness can lead to broader changes in consumer behavior, as more individuals begin to value quality over quantity and seek alternatives that contribute to a more sustainable future. As more people become aware of the impacts of waste on the environment, the role of upcycled decor in driving eco-friendly practices grows increasingly important. By showcasing the beauty inherent in discarded materials, upcycled designs promote awareness about waste management and sustainability's place within modern decor. The act of purchasing upcycled items becomes a localized form of activism, aligning personal consumption with a cause that advocates for reduced waste and sustainable practices. Each sale serves as a reminder of the latent beauty in overlooked objects and the potential they possess to redefine our understanding of luxury. In the transformation of abandoned objects into high-end statement decor pieces represents a significant cultural movement that redefines modern luxury through creativity, sustainability, and community engagement. This practice not only emphasizes the beauty of upcycled items, but also tells powerful stories about resilience, innovation, and ethical consumption. As we navigate an increasingly disposable world, embracing the artistry of upcycling can lead to a more sustainable future, where the truly overlooked find new purpose and new life within our homes, proving that even discarded materials can resonate with sophistication and appeal. Through this lens, upcycling becomes not just a design trend, but a profound movement toward redefining what we value in our living spaces, fostering a deeper connection between the objects we choose to surround ourselves with and the stories they tell. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.